Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a simple and tasty lamb trotters recipe with few ingredients. And here are my prepared ingredients. I have here 10 pieces of lamb trotters, 2 pieces of white onion, a piece of wooden cinnamon stick, and a piece of peeled and sliced lemon, some bay leaves, and salt. Now let's get started. Let's clean our lamb trotters. As you can see, there's tiny hair. Using our infrared cooker, let's burn the tiny hair. Now after burning the tiny hair, here I prepared cold water, and let's start removing the tiny hair. And also remove in between the lamb trotters. Then cleaning for the first one. Now let's remove all the tiny hair, set aside, and let's repeat the process. Be sure to burn all the tiny hair and check if there's a tiny hair in between the lamb trotters. Done cleaning all our lamb trotters, set aside. Using our pressure pot, let's put in our lamb trotters. Put in our prepared ingredients. And let's add another remaining lamb trotters. Done. Let's put in the cooking machine. Let's add 2 tablespoons of salt. Let's add hot water. Put the water level enough to cover the lamb trotters. That's it. Let's wait for any foam formation to remove it. Remove the floating foam. Now it's clear from the foam. Let's cover it for about 1.5 hours. And after 1.5 hours, let's check our lamb trotters. needs more time to cook, to make it soft, to make it tender. Let's add more hot water. Cover it and let's cook again for about 1.5 hours. Let's make sauce for our lamb trotters soup. Here I prepared 3 pieces of squeezed lemon juice, 3 pieces of smashed garlic, dried mint, and salt. Let's add the smashed garlic to our squeezed lemon. Put half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of dried mint, mix together. Done and transferred to serving plate, serving bowl. After 1.5 hours, let's check our lamb trotters. Let's check if it's tender. Oh, it's tender. It's already done. And our simple lamb trotters recipe is ready to serve. Let's transfer it to serving plate. Our simple and delicious lamb trotters recipe is ready to serve.